On we go. So now we're going to do another step in your jive. It's an improver's level step as well. It's really a combination. It's got variations in it that you've learned already. We're going to stick a few of them together and it makes a beautiful little combination. So this is a 4-bar combination that incorporates basics, spins for the lady, changes of place. You've learned those already. And another basic at the very end. So let me start off, if I can, by demonstrating relatively, as per the speed you would normally do it. And then I'll do the steps broken down. So, gentlemen, we do a single basic, quick, slow. So we spin the lady on the spot with 2 hands. Then we do a change of place with the lady, 2-handed as well. And then we do a basic to finish off. So this is called a 2-hand turn. And up till now, you've been turning the lady, yes, quite a lot in different variations and in different dances, but most of the time with just 1 hand. So this is a 2-hand turn. And it goes like this again. Ladies, sorry, I need to demonstrate it for you, don't I? So watch this. We step back, ladies, with the right foot. We go quick, slow. So then we spin, quick, slow. Then we do a change of pace, quick, slow. So then we do a basic, quick, slow. So can I do that again for you? So we go a quick, slow. So we spin, quick on the spot. Slow, we do a change of pace. And then we do a basic to finish off. So 4 bars, quick, slow, 4 times. So I'll do the gentleman broken down. Is that okay? Watch this. I step back, I go quick, slow. So nothing happened there. A second bar is also basic with the feet, but gentlemen on slow. Both hands go over the lady's head. We don't let go with any hands for the entirety of this combination. Quick, slow. Then we have the change of place. We're still 2 hands. We do a normal change of place where we turn across the floor past each other, hands over the lady's head going anti-clockwise, gents. Quick, slow. And then we have a basic to finish off. You'll find at this point the hands won't be crossed anymore. If you don't let go and you go anti-clockwise like we did a moment ago, this will end up unwound. The arms will end up unwound very naturally. We do a basic, quick, slow. So I'll do that again one more time. Quick, slow 4 times. Gents, we go quick, slow. Then quick, slow. Swap places. Quick, slow. A basic, quick, slow. So if you're swapping places, don't forget on the change of place, we always swap places with the lady. For that 2-hand turn, you'll spin the lady right in front of you. You don't swap places during that initial spin. Ladies, let me do yours if you don't mind for now. You step back with the right foot and you go quick, slow. So then we spin on the spot. A little bit like some steps you learned earlier on. We don't travel anywhere though, ladies. Quick, slow. So then we do our change of place, ladies. You learned this already in an earlier series. Both hands still holding though. They're both holding both of his hands. This is called crisscross hold, by the way. And your left wrist will be over your right. We go by the gentleman doing our change of place. Quick, slow. Hands go up over the head and come down. It won't be crossed anymore. You won't even need to make that happen. It'll happen all on its own. And then you do a basic. Quick, slow. That's the end of your 4 bars. And remember to keep counting when you're dancing. It helps you to know where you are inside of the variation. I'll do it again one more time, ladies. It's the basic first. Quick, slow. So then the 2-hand spin on your arm. Quick, slow. Then the change of pace, 2 hands still holding. Quick, slow. And then a basic to finish off. Quick, slow. And that's the end of that variation. Keep going with it. Keep going. Ask questions in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe, follow whatever platform you're on right now. And we can keep you up to date with everything you need to know with regard to new videos, offers, new dance steps, and any news we have here at Just Dance and Fitness. Thank you.